back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on or off your notifications in OneInch wallet account. First of all, find and open OneInch application on your device. Now log into your account. After that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see settings icon. Click on it. Here you can see notifications tab. Click on notifications and you will see news and wallet connect. If you toggle this switch off, all the news will be disabled in your phone. And if you disable this toggle, wallet connect notifications won't appear on your device. If you want to turn it back on, simply toggle this switch on. So that is how you can turn on or off notifications in OneInch wallet account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.